Guess what got delivered today? My filling machine. I am so excited. You do not understand how this is going to make my process of filling up my bottles so much easier. Oh my God, I can't wait. Okay, so help me open this box up. I got it off Amazon. It was called SUMEVE filling machine. The reviews look pretty good, so I just went ahead and went with that one. I think it was like 140-ish, somewhere in there. And the box, it looks heavy, but it's not that heavy. You can see I picked it up pretty easily right there. It was just big as heck. So let's open it up and pull it on out. This part was a little difficult right here, just actually getting it out of the like thin box. Oh yeah, the hat. Anyway, so yeah, getting it out of the box. Wait a minute, what is this? Oh, these are tools. Oh God, I don't think I need those. Anyway, this part right here was a little difficult, so I had to like hold it with my feet and pull it out. But they wrapped it up very well. Like there's no damages, it's not dented, everything's tight, like the screws, all that. So I was really happy about that. Like I said, it's packaged very well and it's not heavy. Look, I can lift this thing over my head. I'm so excited to use this and I hope you enjoyed this video.